This video is just going to show you a little bit about the widgets on the bottom of the screen. So if you look on the bottom of the screen in the center, you will see the widgets bar. So you can add as many widgets as you want to one screen. And in order to add them, all you have to do is just click on one and it automatically will either change it or add it. This one is the background widget, so you can change the background. Usually they'll have like the themes up here. So this is Christmas and winter. They also have just different ones along with solid colors at the bottom. I'm going to pick a little penguin because it's cute. And you can choose any of these widgets to add to your page. Along with hitting more widgets button will pop up more widgets. You can even toggle this edit button, and what it'll do is it will allow you to edit the widget bar. So you can swap, just say you really like the dice, you can add it to your main favorite widgets and it'll be up and ready for you to use. If you want the widget bar to go away completely, you can hit this arrow and it will minimize the entire widget bar. So if you're ready to use your screen with whoever you may be using it with, whatever audience, you can hit that and they won't be able to see it. The other thing about the widget bar is once you add a widget, you can kind of move it around the screen wherever you want using that tab in the bottom center. If you click on it, if you're clicked out of the widget and you want to just move it because you don't need to customize it, you can hover over it, click and hold, and it will move around the screen as well. Here, this little gear in the top right corner, you can click on it, and that is where you'll customize your widgets. You can change the background colors, you can change the default font, you can change the default size of the font, and then within the actual widget, you can obviously use this little toolbar to help you do whatever you need to do to your text. Again, the gear bar will allow you to customize things. It will also allow you to toggle buttons on and off. You can also interact within the widgets. So for example, this the work symbol widget, you can actually just click right on each of these in order for you to change them. Same with this max noise bar. You can change the bar so that the max noise is changing as well. You can turn the sound off if you don't want the bell to ring once the noise gets to a certain limit. You can also turn off your microphone if you don't want it to listen. So just say you're talking to your audience and you don't want the noise bar to be moving at all or the sound level to be monitored, you can just hit that little microphone and it'll shut it off. You can also click the three dots underneath the gear and this will show in all screens. So if you have multiple screens down in this corner, you can just hit the plus button and you can toggle between the two, but you can show in all screens. So no matter what screen you're in, it'll show. You can duplicate it and you can put in the spotlight, which brings it to the center. So if you're working and you want them to really monitor their noise level, you can just put this as a spotlight and this will be displayed for everyone to see nice and big. Lastly, you can change the size of the widgets on the page, and if you want to delete it, you can just hit this red X in the top left corner. That is a little bit about the widgets. You are going to explore more once you start playing around with Classroomscreen.com, and if you read my presentation, you will also be able to know a little bit more about each of these widgets and what they're used for.